Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you third chapter, decimals. Before this, see your course book. If you have purchased, is good, otherwise purchase it. बुक को सामने रख के अगर आप वीडियोस देखेंगे आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. You have learnt before this integers and fractions. Try to complete these two chapters and start doing work on decimals. All the best, children. Decimals. What are decimals? Firstly, write down definitions in integers and fractions also. Decimals, a number whose whole number part and decimal part is separated by a decimal point. Again, a number whose whole number part and decimal part is separated by a decimal point. Now, decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of decimal gives the number of decimal places. There are two decimal places. First is 10th place and 6 is in 100th place. Next, like decimal. Decimal fractions having the same number of decimal places are known as like decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places are known as unlike decimals. Just like this, there are two places, two digits after decimal. Here also two digits after decimal. So these are like decimal. But here are three digits, but in 1.28 two digits. So these are unlike decimals. You have to see only these places for like and unlike decimals. This is comparison of decimals. First point is convert the given decimals into like decimals. Suppose we have two numbers 2.58 and 2.6. Here are two digits, two decimal places, and here is only one decimal place. Now, second point, compare the whole number part. Whole number parts are equal in both the decimal. 2. Compare the whole number part. The decimal number with greater whole number part will be greater. इन दोनों नंबर में होल नंबर पार्ट इक्वल है. अगर होल नंबर पार्ट इक्वल है तो नेक्स्ट जाना है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेना है. इफ द इंटीग्रल पार्ट आर इक्वल, these parts are equal, whole number part is equal, compare the 10th place. In 10th place here is 5 and in 10th place here is 6. So 2.6 is greater than 2.58. Again, in both the numbers, whole number part is equal, but in 10th place, here is 5 and here is 6, so 2.6 is greater than 2.58. Suppose 2.8 and 2.58 Which one is greater? See here, whole part is equal. पहले हमें whole part को देखना है. Whole number is equal, but in 10th place is 8. Again here is 8, but in 100th place here is 0 and here is 3. So 2.83 is greater than 2.80. I'll tell you how to convert. Unlike decimals, just like this, 2.8 and 2.83 are unlike decimals because here are 2 digits and here is 1. You have to convert in like decimals. How to convert? Put 0 after 8. I am telling you this one. Question is saying convert the following decimals into fraction in the lowest term. You have two numbers, 0.25 and 2.75. Start from 0.25. No need to see here. Put the numbers here. 25 को आपको न्यूमरेटर बना देना है, and in denominator, in place of decimal write down 1, and how many digits are here? 2 zeros. 2 digits, put 2 zeros. Again 2.75 to 275. Numerator just like this. 25 is numerator and denominator decimal point की जगह आपको 1 रखना है. After this, how many digits? 1, 2, 2 zeros. You will put here 2 zeros. Now next one, in the lowest term, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are equal to 1 by 4. In this, 25 ones are 25 to 1 equal to 11 by 4. First question is saying convert into a mixed fraction. Write down 12 here. 12 is in whole part. This is whole part. Write down 12 here and 25. This is numerator, and in denominator, in place of decimal, write down 1, and how many digits are here? 2 digits, 2 zeros. Again, 12 is whole number, 25 numerator and denominator. Decimal point की जगह आपको 1 रखना है. How many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits are here. Now cut this number. 25 ones are equal to 12. 1 by 4. Next one, convert into decimal numbers. How to convert? Write down 37. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बताया था कि डेसिमल की जगह आपको 1 रखना है. जस्ट अपोजिट, ये राइट, पुट डेसिमल इन प्लेस ऑफ 1. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स? 1 0 7. 1 digits, 1 digits. Before 1 digit, पुट डेसिमल. डिनोमिनेटर को आपको देखना है, 1 की जगह डेसिमल आएगा. और how many zeros? 1 0 is here. Write down only 1 digit after decimal. In this, 3 2 by 5. 3 is a whole number. You write here before decimal and divide 5 fours are 20. 3.4. Express as rupees. Rupee 1 equal to 100 pies. 6 by 100. Again इस 6 को आपको इस 0 की जगह रखना है. 6 0 and in place of 1 put decimal. After 1 you have 2 zeros and here 2 digits. 0.06. Next one, express in kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 55 divided by 1000. Again आपको डेसिमल 1 की जगह डेसिमल रखना है. Start from here. How many digits are here? 3 zeros are here and you have only 2 digits. 55. Start from here. 5 in this. इस 0 की जगह ये 5 को. Next one. In this 0, 5. How many zeros are left? 1 is left and after that decimal. 0.055 kilometer. Now next question is write down in ascending and descending order. Question is 2.6, 5.4, 2.58, 5.382 and 2.06. इसमें सबसे पहले आपने देखना है होल नंबर. Here is 2, here is 2 and here is again 2. Now 2.6, 2.58 and 2.06. Whole number 2 in these 3 numbers. But next you will see 10th place is 6, is 5 and there is 0. So this one is smaller. 2.06 is 2.06. Next one 2.58. And after that 2.6. 2 numbers are left, 5.4 and 5.32. 5 is whole number. So again see 10th place is 4, is 3. So this one is smaller than this one. This one is greater. Write down 5.32. After that 5.4. Just opposite in descending order. Start from 5.4, 5.32, 2.6, 2.58 and last 2.06. 2.06. One more method. Firstly, convert into like decimals. You know here are 2 digits, here 2 and here 2. But here is only after decimal you have 1 digit and here is also 1 digit. So convert into like decimals. 2.60, 5.4,
40, 2.58, 5.32, 2.06.
After that, method is same.